Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mr. Magical YouTube channel. In this video today, it's going to be my first time hearing a song by Lynyrd Skynyrd. They're meant to be a southern rock band. I've done a lot of rock reactions on this channel, but I don't know if I've done a southern rock reaction. I may have done one or two, but it's my first time hearing this band. And this is the song called Freebird. It's meant to be a very popular song. And the band originally formed in the 1960s, it said, so I can't wait to hear this one. So if you guys want more reaction videos like this to Lynyrd Skynyrd, if I like the song, I'll do some more reactions to them. So let's get right into the song for today. Let's go, guys. Okay. A lot of instruments coming together for the start. I can't wait to see where this goes. Those heavy drums.
Tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. 'Cause there's too many places I've got to see. Stay here with you, girl. Things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change.
Okay, something big's coming. Okay, so it looks like it's slowing down now. Man, this song is definitely a driving song. You put this on, you're cruising down like one of those American highways. It definitely has that style to me. And I really like this song. I'm as free as a bird. Obviously about moving away, spreading your wings, of course. I like this. I actually really like this. The guitar part on this one is really standing out to me as well, along with this guy's vocals. Wow. I love it. I love the message of the song as well. Definitely a driving song to me. I'm enjoying it. I love this part. The chorus is so good.
And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change.
Oh, okay, switching up a bit.
I can't change. Won't you fly free, bird? Yeah.
Yo, look at the guitar solo. This is what I like to see. Okay, this part is a straight vibe. I like this. Okay, the drums are sounding heavy right here. Okay. Okay, is it ending? It's kind of getting a bit quieter, like a fade out. Okay, so that is the end. And that was a 9 minute and 7 second song. And normally, when I do a lot of these reactions to the classics, if a song is like over about 6 minutes, it's a long song, you know it's going to be amazing. And this was no exception. This song was absolutely incredible. And towards the end, it kind of went into like its own thing, really. It was just like straight instrumental for like the last 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't really count it, but it went on for a while and it's really, really good. The band were playing like crazy. It sounded amazing. But I really love the chorus. I like the first half of the song really, really like a lot. It was so good. I'm as free as a bird. Like I like the lyrics he's singing, obviously about like flying the nest, you know, becoming your own person. I like that, and it definitely feels like a road trip song. You put this on in one of those American highways, and you just have this blasting, and it'd be a great time. I mean, I really, really like this one. This is definitely one of the standout songs I've reacted to. And yeah, if you guys want more Lynyrd Skynyrd's reactions, let me know. I believe this is their most popular song or one of their most popular songs. So if you guys want more reaction videos to them, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, guys.